Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the damage display self setting in Nioh 3. Let's begin by opening the System menu. From there, navigate to Basic Game Settings. Here on the first page you should be able to find Damage Display Self. Currently I have it selected to Medium. You can swap between large, off, small and medium. I will set it to small for the sake of the demonstration. Once you make your choice, simply press back. Press back once again, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.